Welcome! If you've been getting too many replies on your public Snapchat stories and want a bit more control, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off replies from followers on your public story using the latest Snapchat update. Let's jump straight in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings and public profile options live. Next, find the small gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it. This opens your settings menu. Here you'll see a long list of options, but don't worry, we're heading to a specific section. Scroll down until you find notifications and tap on it. This is where Snapchat lets you control what alerts and interactions you receive. Now keep scrolling down until you see the section labeled Public Profile Settings. Under this section, tap on your public profile name. This will open up settings specifically related to your public content. Here's the key step. Look for the option called Show Public Story Replies. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off.